In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Whop to GoTyme. We'll walk through the exact flow you'll see inside Whop, including the info you need to enter so your withdrawal can be sent smoothly to your GoTyme account. First, head to the Whop website. From the main page, open the dashboard found on the left side of the screen. Inside your dashboard, go to Balances to view your available funds. When you're ready to move money out, select Withdraw. This opens the withdrawal setup and verification form Whop uses to keep payouts secure and compliant. Start by entering your first name and last name exactly as they appear on your government ID and on your GoTyme account. Next, choose your business type. If you operate as an individual, select the option that reflects that. If you have a registered company, choose the appropriate business category. Provide your date of birth in the requested format, then add a mobile number you actively use so you can receive any verification codes or updates. Select your country, which helps Whop determine the correct payout and compliance settings. Enter your address details carefully. Line 1 is your street address and house or unit number, and line 2 is optional for apartment, building, or subdivision information if needed. You may see the country selector again within the address section. Simply confirm the correct country and complete the rest of your address fields. Make sure everything matches your official documents to avoid delays. When your details are filled out, proceed to get verified. Follow the prompts on screen. This step confirms your identity and enables withdrawals. Once verification is approved, continue with the withdrawal flow and Whop will route the funds to your chosen destination, such as your GoTyme account, based on the payout details you've set up. Double check for any confirmation messages and keep an eye on your notifications for status updates. With accurate information and a successful verification, your withdrawal from Whop to GoTyme should process smoothly.